All right. This is kind of a rough tutorial on how you kind of would approach your blog project. Before you work with a blog and before you edit it, do not mess with the original. So what you would do is left click, control click duplicate. And then you put up, you start, and you have this as edit. And I'm going to check out blog 1. However, I might end up with using blog 3, the latest version, or blog 3.5 for my project. But I do want to check out blog 1. And do not forget to duplicate the original file that I provide, the original template, and put it as edit, because you want to edit that one. You don't want to edit it original. Alright, we got this code that I wrote, and it's super basic. And you notice a few things that I use these different fonts family. I have, it's about San Diego, and it's just pretty basic. And I have this image of a turtle in here. And other images, I don't have any assets, but I have this style. And yeah, so just look at it. I'm curious about blog 3.5. So duplicate, put edit, put it edit 1, edit 2, edit 3, different edits. Let's go into brackets. Let's open, let's find it, open folder. And we go to 3.5 edit, and let's see if this is what we want to work with. Pretty wild. I'm like, sure, but it looks horrible. So I'm gonna make this myself. And I'm going to start by, let's just change the title to I Love Turtles. Turtles. I think I want mine, turtle is the greatest. Turtles and tortoises. And I want to find a turtle image. Right. Save image as turtle 1, and I'm going to put it in my code. I think it was 3.5. Turtle 1 sounds good. JPEG. Okay. I don't want this library in here, so I'm going to images turtle. Save it. Okay, we started that. What is some of this text? This is boring. Turtles. Tortoises. Hopefully I'll learn how to are the best. They are so cool. And for now, put that in here. And put that in here. Right. And let's see what it looks like so far. Okay, still looks horrible, but at least I changed this. I don't like cool. Let's try that. Let's change that. Cool library. And this is in center text. The div class is center text. The world of turtles. And it's in class center text. Try this. Color. I like Alice Blue. Let's see if that works there. It might be in another area. So, all right. I'm gonna see. I save it. I'll go back to here and save it. Hold on. Click it again. See if I change the color of the. Yes, I like that color a lot better. The World of Turtles. I changed that. I don't need this, so I gotta change this. There's a lot I gotta change. I don't really know if I like the background. Maybe the background could be an ocean background. Let's go to the background. The background image is this forest background. I don't like that. I want an oceany background because we're talking about oceans now. Kind of like that. It's a little, okay. Save image as ocean, and I'll say it 1 just in case I have more than one ocean. Okay, it's in the right area. So I think save. Ocean 1 is a JPG rather than J, so let's do this. So there's a lot of little tricks, like in order to reference that, I had to put a dot because it's another step back. A dot means you access this image inside of this. So you just got to play around with that. And look, I'll show you. I know why. It needs to be this down here. I have 2 containers for some reason, and I'll try to figure that out later. Okay, that's why. This is where we need to change it. And that should work. Okay. It's always something. I put container 2. So at one time I had a second container in here for some other reason, and I did not delete that. So that's my bad. I only have 1 container div class. So that's the situation. So let's see if that works. And it does. It looks a lot better, although it's pretty dark. Alright, it is better. So I feel like that all this text needs to be white. Maybe this can be, and so you got to change the text to be white. Just play with it. You don't even need a background image. You could have a background color. So go to town. This is how you make it your own. You change the text, you change things around, you cut and paste extra stuff. Let's try, if this is the image area, why don't we do 2 of the image area before the, let's have 2 image areas before the cool list. So I cut and pasted it down. And hey, look, got 2 photos on top of each other. Although I somehow left out the World of Turtles text, and research why that happened, because I didn't, you know, include the world of turtles in it or something. You can play around by adding things, subtracting things, editing things out, changing the color, changing the size of the you know, text. So lots of different possibilities. And again, make sure you, hey, you know, say I like this version. I'm gonna save, and then I'm going to go back and then I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to call this edit 2. And now I'm going to come back, and it's like I like that version, but I'm going to come back and I'm going to edit it even more and make it and change it differently. And if I don't like the new changes, at least I can go back to edit 1. So there you go. I hope that helps you and get you going on the blog project.